everyone, today I'm gonna show you the fourth project of the CS50 course uh, network, project network. So let's start with a new post. Users who are signed in should be able to write a new text-based post. Let's try it. Done. It's working. In next bullet, I'll post link in navigation bar should take the user to a page where they can see all posts from all users. The most recent post first. Let's check. As you can see, it is the newest one. These are some old thing, but they are showing the recent one first. It's including the username, the date and the time is included, and the number of likes is also included. Okay, so next we have profile page. Let's check it. As you can see, we can see it. It's working. The number of followers here, all the posts of the user, and they are here. Let's check if I can follow him. Yeah, as you can see, I can follow him, and the followers count became 2. We can also unfollow him. Okay, following link in the navigation bar should take the user to a page where they see all the posts made by users, so the current user follows. Okay, alright, let's try it. Okay, great, and they are showing here. Let's try unfollowing him and see. No, there's nothing. So it's working correctly. Now we have pagination. Let's check it. Yeah, we have pagination, and it's working as well correctly. Edit post. Users should be able to click an edit button or link on any of their own posted post to edit the post. Alright, let's try this. And it's working as well. Great. Users using JavaScript language to achieve this without requiring reload. Yeah, I didn't reload. I can't edit this. There is no way that I can edit it. So it's also working. Like and unlike. Let's try it. I can like my own post, of course, and the others as well. I can remove it as well. So I guess it's working as well. The like count is showing as well, and it's correct. So I think that's all. Everything is working, and we covered most of the specification. That's all for today.